It's your lucky day. We are making heart-shaped clovers today. Hi, I'm Fen, designer here at the Bead Floor Studio. This bouquet of heart-shaped clovers is currently in the number 86 issue of Bead Jewellery magazine. It is currently out in the UK. It'll probably take another month or two for it to get to the US. So give your local Barnes & Noble a call to see what issue they currently have out on the shelves. If you have a Nook, you can get a digital copy at barnesandnoble.com. I was asked by Tracy to come up with an easy heart-shaped clover pattern when she was having frustrations with what she was working with. And this is what I came up with. And what I love about this pattern is that it uses a continuous technique. It uses a modified continuous wraparound technique. And if you have followed me for any length of time, you know that I am all about one-wire construction. If you found me through the magazine, welcome to the wonderful world of French beaded flowers. Welcome to your new addiction. One tip I do have for you is do not string the beads on one by one. Get and use a bead spinner. I will put a link in the description box below with where you can get one if you are in the UK. Also, an alternate method that you can use to string on beads is the scooping method. But whatever you do, for my sanity and yours, do not put it on the wire one by one. Now let's get on to the demo. I'm going to show you one of the patterns. For the rest of the patterns, plus assembly, you'll have to get the magazine. Let's get on to it. You may have noticed that I'm currently wearing 4-leaf clover earrings and even a brooch pin. And these are just 2 out of the 5 ancillary projects that I came up with using this new continuous heart-shaped technique. I will put a link in the description box below with where you can get the PDF that is available for purchase. I hope you enjoyed today's demo. Please connect with me at my website, Facebook, and Instagram. And you may not see me as frequently as before because I'm writing a book. I know, exciting stuff, but I will pop back up once in a while and give you some updates. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. See what issue they... It's your lucky day. Hi.